it's Akila Mani. I am back with another video. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I do my flat twist. As you can see, this one kind of flaked up on me, and I think it flaked up because I used gel. So if you're going to do this, I would suggest not using gel. So I didn't like the results of this flat twist, so I turned it into a puff, which is kind of the cool thing about being natural. You can always just throw up a cute little puff when the styles don't go the way you want them to go. Okay, so this is my second attempt, and I did not use gel this time. It turned out much better. In place of gel, I would maybe use a twisting cream or a curling butter instead. So y'all know I love my As I Am products, so for this style, I'm going to use my As I Am curling jelly. I really like this. It works for my hair. It works for me. So I do have a spray bottle with a mixture of olive oil and water inside of it. And as I go along, sometimes sections of my hair will dry up. So I use the spray bottle when it's necessary. So right now I just made a section of hair that I'm about to flat twist. You can make your twists however big you want to make them. So the key to flat twisting is to pretend like you're braiding, but you're actually twisting. So I just twisted it like 2 or 3 times. And then now you see me adding hair. So you just twist and you add hair. You twist and you add hair. And you just keep doing that all the way down. Just twist and add hair. And I think this is a really good shot so you guys can kind of see exactly what it is that I'm doing. But I have 2 pieces and I'm just picking up hair and adding it to the hair that I already have in my hands. And then I'm twisting. And then after you run out of hair, you just 2-strand twist all the way down. And then the next thing you're going to see me do is I'm going to take this twist and I'm going to wrap it around my finger because I like to create a Bantu knot at the end of my twist. So I'm just wrapping it around my finger to help create a Bantu knot, which you see me doing right here. And if you don't know how to do a Bantu knot, I do have a tutorial on my channel on how to do one, and the link will be in the description box. Here I am, I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm lightly damping my hair. Then after that, you're going to see me grab my pick to detangle. Detangling your hair as you go helps reduce frizz at the end. And then after I pick out my hair, I'm going to use my As I Am curling jelly and apply that evenly throughout my hair. And from that, it's kind of the same thing that I showed you guys in the last clip. So I'm just going to let you guys rock. In order to help reduce frizz, I'm going to use my Jamaican black castor oil, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply that to my fingertips as I take the hair down. I feel like whenever you take these flat twists out, you need to be gentle, because if you just rip through the curls, then you're just going to create frizz and it's going to look a hot mess. So I like to just be gentle and add the oil to my fingertips because I want the least amount of frizz as possible. So this clip right here is from the second time that I attempted this style, and I think this is the best it has turned out for me so far. I must say that I really like the way my curls turned out, so I created like a afro type look. But if you don't like the afro type look that I did, or if your style turns out bad, you can just pull it up in a puff, which I'm going to show you how I do my high puff in this next clip. So I really didn't like how the back turned out. I feel like you can make the back small in order to get really cute curls, but when I did this, I made the back really big, and I probably shouldn't have done that. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it into a puff because I didn't like the way it turned out, and I feel like it'll be cute in a puff, so I'm going to turn it into a puff. And all I'm doing is I just picked it out a little bit, and then this is me using like a cut up piece of leggings, or you could probably cut up a pair of stockings and use that. And all I'm doing is just tying it in the front and pulling it up in the back to create like this really high ponytail look. So after I made that puff a little higher and laid my baby hairs, this is the look that I got, and I think it's really cute. So yep, Akila, yep, sis. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for the support. Really, really appreciate it.